and all the yellow dots. Let's press them. Yellow, 1, 2. Now wait, we missed a bunch of pages. Here, look what happened.
I want to find red, blue.
You want to find the red, blue? There they are. Wow. Uh-oh, look at those dots. Let's see. Can you press hard on all of the dots? Really hard? Yeah. Press. Okay, turn. What happened? We missed one. Look what they did. Okay, shake it. Shake it again. Shake. Look what it did. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now we have to blow on them. Ready? Can you blow on them? Blow on them. That's good. Okay, see what happens. Let's see what happens. All right, we gotta blow harder. Blow harder, Lucy. Oh, maybe that might have been a little bit too hard. So we'll put the book up straight to make sure that those dots go back again. You ready? Turn the page. Turn it. You turn it. There you go. Now clap your hands once. Good job. Okay, close. Turn the book. Turn. See what happens next. Oh my goodness, they got big. Clap twice. 1, 2.
1, 2, 3, 5.
Right.
Wow.
Okay, turn the page. What happened? Look how big they got. Should we
Look
clap?
at balloons.
They look like balloons. You're right. Now we have to clap 3 times. Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2,
Read.
3. Oh, we have to clap some more.
Balloons.
Clap more, Lucy. That's it. Oh my goodness. Okay, see what happens to the blue ball. Wow. It says keep clapping. Look how big they got. We made them big.
Go.
Uh-oh, we clapped too loud.
Oopsie.
Oh, look at that. We missed one, I think.
Oopsie.
There we go. We did it.
Oven.
All
done.
done. You did a good job. You want to read again?
Yeah.
Okay.